Hi guys, it's Zach and welcome back to my channel, and as you can see I am looking mystical AF, and I was just inspired by this wig and these ears to do like some sort of elven fairy type look, and I got these butterflies for it and I was like, yes, hello. Gertrude, Lucy, or Judy I think is what I named them, I'm not sure. It'll be in the video. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I have already moisturized, and I'm going to prime with this NYX Hydra Touch oil primer. It's my first time trying this. My mom gave it to me, and we're gonna try it out. So it's one of those pumpy oils. Okay, it's already full. Okay. I can definitely see me using this in the wintertime because my skin gets so dry in the wintertime. And this stuff smells really good. It smells fresh, you know? And it has a little bit of tackiness to it, which I like. As always, we're going to go in with some Tepotement. Stimulate the face. If you see me looking down, it's my mirror. Hi, hello. Yeah, my skin feels amazing. Thanks, Mom. And now we're going to move on to foundation. So for foundation, I'm going in with the Dermablend Flawless Creator Liquid Pigments. I'm mixing 26N and 10N to kind of get a more golden natural tone. This video is not sponsored, just FYI. Nothing in this video I am being paid to use. Just wanted to get that out there. So how's everyone's day? I spent some time with my mom. She got to play in my makeup. She's a proud mama. I love this foundation so much, oh my goodness. And for concealer, we are going in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Long Wear Concealer in Linen. This is like my holy grail concealer. The coverage is right, the consistency is right, and it just makes me feel my oats. Let me feel my oats. I'm feeling extra. We'll do a little on the forehead, but just enough. So yeah, I'm really inspired to do this kind of like woodland, like elf, fairy thing with ears and butterflies. I have some fake moss, and I want to bring that to life on my body. Now, I normally let the inner parts of my concealer sit a little longer than the outer parts, because that's where I tend to get a lot of separation, and separation is not cute. So I'll blend out my forehead before I blend out everything else. Always blend it on top of my nose just to like, I don't know, I just like the way it looks. And then go over with the foundation side of my sponge and just mix the two, amalgamate the two. Is that a word? To set the under eyes, I am just taking my Maybelline Loose Fit the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in Fair. I just love the way this powder melts into the skin, and it really smooths and sets everything into place. And I live wig. Okay, I am going to skip over the face since that's not the focus of this video. I already have a face routine, so I'm going to set the rest of my face, finish the face, and do my brows off camera, and we will come back for the eyes. Be back. 1 sec. Maybe 2, possibly 3.
20 minutes later.
Hello, I'm back. I'm glowing. What's good? That was awful. Moving on to the eyes, I am diving into another Cara Beauty product. This is from their Nines collection. There is a wide variety of palettes with different themes, and they all have 9 shades, and they come in these cute little packages. I promise this video is not sponsored. I just like them, and I am an affiliate. I do have a code if you want to try any of these out. It's ZOTS. I do make a small commission. I will let that out known, but they are not paying me to use these. I just like them, and I like recommending people stuff that I enjoy. And we are going to be using the Classical 9. And the reason I love this palette so much is because this light green right here, this shade is called Baroque. And the Baroque and Rococo periods in art history are my favorite. So this is one of my favorite palettes just for this one shade, and we will be using it today. And firstly, we are going to be diving in with the shade right here in the middle, which is called Symphony, and I'm going to be taking this on a Miracos blending brush. If you don't know who Miracos is, you're missing out. They're amazing, and they're very affordable. So I will link them down below too.
Yes, William?
Now, my only qualm that I have with the Classical 9 palettes is there's no mirror, which is fine. I just like a mirror, so I'm going to be using this mirror from my Soul palette from ColourPop. And we're going to start putting this in the crease. And right away, hello pigment, hello color payoff, hello life. And I am patting it on first and then going in with blending motions, just because I'm trying to get this intensity right here. And then I'm going in with small circular motions and blending it out. Moving on to the shade Folk, which is the bone shade in the palette. I'm going to set underneath the brow bone and blend it into Symphony, just to make everything cohesive and blended, and overall just a beautiful blend, because I love blending. Taking the middle shade Soloist, I'm going to be using this to deepen the crease and prepare for my cut crease, and I will be cutting the crease with a liquid shadow, which you will see in just 1 minute. One of my favorite parts about these palettes is the lack of fallout, because there's like none. I mean, I have like a little bit, but it's like 1 or 2 specks, and that's not even bad. And I'm going to use the shade Recital, which is a more of a kind of like olivey mustard looking color, and putting that on the lid. To cut the lid, I am taking a Cara Beauty Galaxy Balm liquid eyeshadow in the shade Illusion, and this is going on the inner corner, and then on the middle third we're going to be taking the shade Baroque. So I just apply a little and then I look up, and then it gives me like the perfect guideline to finish cutting the crease. And while that is still a little damp, I'm going to be taking the shape Baroque on a flat brush. Let me find one. I just washed all of my brushes. I'm very proud of myself. On a flat brush, this is another Miracos brush. Pigment, hello. And we're going to put that on the center. I am now going into one of my other 9 palettes from Cara Beauty. I swear this video is not sponsored. I just really like these stuff. These are the palettes I've been growing towards since I got them. And I'm taking this last shade here called Inferno, since it's a darker red and it will go with the reds we have on the eyes. And taking a flat brush, and we're going to deepen the outer corner as well as go over the edge of the cut crease and make everything beautiful and seamless. And then taking a smaller little brush like this and going over the edge of the cut crease. So for under the eye, I am going back in with the Soloist shade and connecting it to the outer edge and blending it in just to make everything cohesive. And then I'm keeping it darker on the outer edge and blending it in towards the front so it's not as harsh. And it's also going to help your eyes look bigger. And since we are going to be otherworldly creatures today, we want our eyes to be big. Like that movie, Big Eyes, which was amazing. If you've not seen it, you're missing out, sweetie. For the waterline, I am taking the Drama Liquid Pencil in French Lace from Lancome. It's white. Perfect. Now I am going to throw on some lashes and some mascara off camera, and I will be right back. This doesn't go here. And it's on the floor. Also, do you guys like this headband? Isn't it cute? I got this in PR from I Do Care. Thank you, I Do Care. They sent me this headband as well as some really cool pore strips and some really cool face masks. And I might do a video with those sometime. So now I am going to just add some little freckles with the NYX White Liquid Liner. Just sporadically placing those, and while they're still wet, patting it around because it makes them look more real. But we're an elf today, so we don't really care about being real. So it is now time for the beautiful wig that inspired me to want to do this look. This wig is from Unixo. I am also... Okay, this is just basically an affiliates tutorial. There we go. But yeah. I probably should take my headband off first. Ooh, that hair. Alright, so we're gonna pop her on. And we're done! Just kidding. We need to flip her. Okay. My head is very big, so she doesn't really sit flat because the size is a little meh. But I make her work. Nope, that makes me have a bigger forehead. 1 second. Alright, I had to physically go to my bathroom and fix this. So I'm going to put on my ears. These are just costume cosplay ears I found at a local shop. If I can find them, I will link them down below. And basically, they just go over your ear like this. And I probably should have put these on first, but YOLO, because now my wig's getting in the way. So they kind of just go on like that. And then you know, put the hair over. and now you have elf ears. Yeah. I wanted them like in a shorter size, but the only size they had was like Spock, and I was not trying to be Spock, but these do the job. This looks cute, right? I'm feeling my fantasy. All right, ears are in place, and now I'm just going to add these little butterflies that I got from the Dollar Tree. Some in my hair. I'm gonna glue one to my finger just to be like, oh. And then the look will be finished. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. I'm feeling like my elf butterfly garden fantasy. I have my little friends here, Gertrude, Judy, and Lucy, and we're just chilling and having a good time, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was so much fun to create. Like, I don't know why, I was just inspired. And it's this hair and these ears. I was like, elf. And then I saw these butterflies and I was like, yes. And I'm living. So yeah guys, if you want to see more looks like this, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, hit that bell notification, get notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.